All of the data taken on your students is housed in your Progress Monitoring tab. We have 3 places that we're able to collect data. One is a pre- and post-assessment, the other is a movie assessment, and lastly we have student activity submissions. Your pre- and post-assessments all come from your pre- and post tests that you send. So if I click on a specific topic, what makes me angry, your pre and post live right here. Click on it. This is a link that you can send your students. You copy it, put it in your Class Dojo or Google Classroom. All students have to do is add their first names, last initials, and then answer the questions. Anger is an emotion that everyone feels. It is wrong to feel angry. And you can then have them work through it and then submit it when they're done. That is your pre-test. So if I click on Progress Monitoring Data, my first test has been submitted. You would send that test out a second time once you are done, and any time during the year as a follow-up. And it will always keep track of where the students are. To assess your movies, go to your movie library, click on the movie, and then click on Assess. You can add the student that created it or students. You can score them based on our rubric and type any notes that you might want to type. When you save it, all that information is stored right here. Student activity submissions all come from the student tab within every lesson. So if I go to my curriculum, if I open up the lesson goal setting, click on curriculum, the lesson will open up. Once you're done teaching, you can click on students here. This is now a link that you can send to them. All they have to do is open it up, put in their first name, last initial, and then what they're going to do is type in the information for the answers. When they're done, they're going to submit it. Their answers were submitted. And now you can go back into your Progress Monitoring tab, go to Student Activity Submissions, and all of that information lives here. So you're keeping track of the questions and the answers that they've submitted. If you have any questions, please let us know.